Welcome, parents, to the Spring 2024 Executive Function Reset. This is Debbie Reber. Hi, Debbie.
Hi, Seth.
In this video, we'll talk a little bit about you and who you are. So, Debbie, tell us a little bit about your background. I'll show your site right here. Tell us about who you are and the hats that you wear in the parenting world and neurodiversity world and executive function world.
Yeah. So thank you, Seth. My name's Debbie Reber. As Seth said, I am the founder of Tilt Parenting, which I launched in 2016. So it's been a while now as a resource, a podcast, a community, a home for parents and caregivers raising what I call differently wired kids, neurodivergent kids. And I created it because I am the parent of such a kid, a 19-year-old now, twice exceptional, complex, lovely, fascinating human. And I really felt like it was so hard to access optimistic, positive resources that didn't make me feel like there was a problem or that my kid was broken. And so I created Tilt so that other parents raising these kids would feel um, inspired and connected and know that our kids are exactly who they're supposed to be and to really lean into embracing this whole wild ride. So, yeah, I've been doing it since 2016. I still have my podcast. You've been a guest many times. I wrote a book called Differently Wired for parents
And that's
raising an exceptional child in a conventional world. And then I have the Differently Wired Club, which is my parent community I've started over 4 years ago, where we really get into it and do this work together within a supportive group of parents.
awesome. Well, I was going to ask you your why, but you completely explained your why. So thank you so much. And Debbie is going to be speaking on our Executive Function Spring Reset for 2024. If you like what we're doing, please share the site with people. You can share the URL right there so they can sign up. That's the best way that people find out about us. And Debbie, can you tell us briefly about what you'll be teaching?
Yes, I'm going to be sharing three different things. The first is I'm going to be talking about how to prep for difficult and or hard conversations with our kids. How can we show up to those conversations in the best way possible? I'm going to be talking about how to push the reset button when we are stuck in a negative kind of spin cycle energetically or this conflict cycle, which I'm sure I'm probably the only one, but maybe it'll resonate with you. And then the third is I'm going to talk about how to proactively be and stay grounded so that, again, we can be really effective parents.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Debbie. And if you haven't registered, go ahead and register, and it's free to join. You can check out the All Access Pass if you want to buy your own copy. But definitely join us. Thanks, Debbie.
Thanks, Seth.